Assalamu alaikum. I am Widad, and today I'll give you the overview of English speaking course. This course is designed to build confidence for speaking second language and to teach how to communicate effectively in English. In these classes, we'll provide you a variety of lessons, some drills, and practice. The most important thing for these lectures is that you also have to speak up, that you don't need to just turn off your mics and just show your presence in the class. You have to reply me. We will also conduct a conversation session in this course, and your participation in this class is compulsory. So, moving towards the most significant part in the speaking, that is confidence. Look, English is just a language, and don't think that it's a Herculean task, or don't feel any hesitations, okay? You will do mistakes in pronunciation, grammar, vocab, but when you will start speaking, you will overcome these mistakes, I assure you. So, only by listening me or others, you will never learn speaking. You have to talk in English. Firstly, you have to talk to others. Like you can start with some questions and try to engage others. And when you are alone, try to think in English. Like, for example, if I take myself, I will think like that. What I did in the morning, I woke up at 9 o'clock and I took breakfast and I read some pages of book. After that, I did some chores, and after that, uh, I do some household chores. I helped my mother in the kitchen and all this kind of things. Okay, then you will do in this way you can know that what you did in the morning, what you are doing in the whole day, and what you have to do in the next day. In this way you can schedule your timetable also, and this is also will increase your internal dialogue. Okay, like you are talking to yourself, it is a good thing, and in this way you can set your timetable and your routine also. So, furthermore, the next thing which holds a central position in language is vocabulary. When you come in contact with language while reading or listening, you will find some unfamiliar words. Try to find their meanings and use them in daily life. Like while I was watching a movie, I came a word for something like peculiar. I don't know its meaning. What's that? I just Google it, its meaning, and then I used in my daily life. Like peculiar means something special. So when I need to use the word something special, I will never use the something special exact word. I will use the peculiar word. Okay. So by learning the vocabulary, you don't need to start with a list of words or a book, like nothing. You cannot do like that. You can just start from the very little things, like 5 words each day. You can learn 5 words each day and use them in your daily life speaking, or when you are doing your internal dialogue, and when while you are writing. So it will help you a lot to learn vocabulary in the English. The next task for you to learn the speaking is to write. Writing and speaking are very correlated. So you have to write something every day. Make it your routine. Like you can, some people have habit of writing a journal, like routine thing when, whether they are in the morning or in the night, they used to write what happens in their whole day or something special. What is there any special occasion? So while they are writing, so anything you can write in your journal or in your diary. So it's a good habit, make it. So you have to write. If you don't have any habit of writing, just start from today, from just writing a little paragraph, like what you did in the class, not you don't need to write about the whole lecture. No, while you are taking the lecture, it's up to you. Like you have to write down the whole lecture or not. But after the lecture, you can write everything you learn, the most important things or the things you like or the things you have to learn. And after that, I think the most effective way is to write your routine or your thoughts. It can help you a lot in thinking, and it can also help you in decision making. Like when you are writing, you are clearing up your thoughts. So it's a very good way to write. So in this way, you can memorize the words, and your grammar, writing skills, and vocabulary will also improve side by side. So, moreover, the other important part of speaking is pronunciation. Pronunciation is accurate articulation of words and sounds. The best method to improve your pronunciation is listening to natives, not our Pakistani speakers or Indian speakers. You have to listen natives like American, Britishers, something like that, and repeat after them. While, for example, you are listening a video or any vlog, so when try to repeat after them, imitate the sounds and watch yourself while speaking. You will achieve this by practice. Everything can happen by the practice and by the drill. So moving toward the next step, that is conversation. You can never learn English speaking if you don't speak in daily life. Try to use small phrases in your daily life while talking to your friends, while talking to your family. Try to start with the small phrases, then clauses, then sentences, then you will make up the whole conversation in English. So by practicing all these methods, inshallah, you will achieve fluency by the passage of time. It will become the part of your language and it will seem natural. So now you people are learning English speaking, and the first thing I demand from you is to read any English book. Choose any genre of your choice, like self-help books, novels, fictions, or non-fictions, anything you like. And you have to read 1 or 2 pages in a day regularly. Please make it sure. And this will have a significant effect on your language, on your daily life, on your vocabulary, grammar, and everything. Like books should be the main part of your life. And the second thing I want from you is to listen English. You can uh, you can listen to natives like Americans or British, and you can choose any movies if you are fond of. If I am very fond of watching movies, it is my habit. So I love to watch movies. So if you like movies, then you can choose. And if you don't like movies, like for some people, it is very lengthy to sit up like in front of the laptop or in the front of the whole movie. So they find it boring. But if you like movies, then you should go with them. But if you don't like movies, then you can switch to TED Talks. This is the best thing in learning English. TED Talks, there is a channel on YouTube. You can go through it, and there are many short videos like 15 minutes videos. So you can listen those videos. The people in TED Talks are very efficient in while speaking. They are natives, so it is a very good option for you to listen TED Talks, and they have the channel on the YouTube. And now, uh, first thing I demand from you is to read a book. And can please open up your mics, please. I want to listen you. Yeah, respond me, okay? Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So can you you do you have any English book in the hard form or not?
No, ma'am.
No, it's not a big problem. So you can just download any book. Like what kind of book you like fiction, non-fiction, novels, self-help book. What kind of book do you like?
Anything. Any.
Okay,
कोई भी हो जाए.
okay. You are a beginner. It's not a bad thing. It's a very good thing. I assure you. While it will be a like a new experience for you reading, and it will open up different horizons for you. Like you will find that your thinking is wide enough. So, can you download books, or should I provide you? I can
You
also
can
provide you.
provide because I have no idea.
Okay, no problem. I'll provide you books. I have some list of books which I like. Uh, okay, I should give you the book with the. I will go with the smaller one, so you will not go bored. So you have to read 1 page or two. If you like, then you can also read 2 pages. Okay. So,
Okay.
do you have any question?
No, ma'am.
You should have question. No problem. It was just an overview and orientation class. So in the next class, you will inshallah have questions, and we'll do proper conversation in the end of the class every in every lecture. So
Okay, inshallah.
inshallah. So uh, the things which I mentioned in the whole class, that was learning vocabulary 5 days. When while you are reading the book, you will learn the words. When you are reading the book, you took a pencil or highlighter with yourself, and while reading, you can just highlight those words which you don't have any idea about them. Then just highlight them, and after that, try to find these meanings. And uh, it would be so much good if you learn the meaning while using the synonyms, like English to English meaning. And in this way, your English will enhance, and uh, you will make up a huge vocabulary in your mind. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, just highlight those like unfamiliar words, and try to find the meaning of the words, and after that use them in your journal while writing, and also in your spoken. So, all right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So do you have any question?
Yes. Which YouTube channel?
TED
आपने कौन सा
Talks.
channel बताया?
Yeah, yeah. TED Talks. It is TED, TED and Talks.
EP TED Talks.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. It will be so good. Like they're not speaking very speedily, or like they are not using any high vocab, and they are just very easy, and their pronunciation is very accurate. Okay. Do you like watching movies?
Yes.
Okay, that's pretty good. So, what kind of movies do you watch?
जो भी मिल जाए मैं देख लेती हूँ.
Okay, English or Indian?
English भी, Indian भी.
Hmm. Okay. While when I was learning English, I was also a student. So when I was learning the English, I just watched Indian movies. Like I was fond of Bollywood movies when I was learning the English, and after that, I became a huge fan of Hollywood. I don't know. I shifted from Bollywood to Hollywood. So it will also happen to you, inshallah. Like when you are just meeting up a new genre, then your things, your thoughts will just match up to those things, and inshallah you will like the other world of the language. These are the worlds
Yeah.
in which we are staying. The language is a universe, and the different accents, the different pronunciations, the different languages are the worlds in this. So you will also like the another world of English, inshallah.
Inshallah.
So, any other question?
No, मैं सबटाइटल्स के साथ मूवी देखती हूँ. इंग्लिश सीखने का शौक है, तो
Okay.
उनसे कुछ कुछ है.
Yeah,
लेकिन
that's a good point.
जी.
Yeah, like we are just so much used to read the English. While we were the children in the schools, uh, we were just reading the English, and we were just speak the English in the that was in our syllabus, not in the spoken language. So we are
जी.
just used to watch the English and used to read the English, not to speak up. So in this language, English demands speaking. So we have to speak up, and after that, while after taking these classes, you will be able to watch the movie without the subtitles, inshallah.
इंशाल्लाह.
Because it's a slow process, but inshallah you will go through it and you will find it amazing.
Yes.
So in the
By
next class,
practicing.
yeah, exactly, by practicing, everything can happen. So
Yes.
I like a girl. Her name is Muniba Mazari. Do you know about her?
No.
She is known as Iron Lady of Pakistan.
Munita Mazari, that was a speaker.
Yeah, exactly.
जो डिसेबल भी है ना?
Yeah, exactly. And
जी.
the
मैं तो
most
काफी वीडियो देखती हूँ.
yeah. uh, there is a quotation from her, and I like it so much. She said that the words can make you, break you, they can heal your soul, they can damage you forever. So always try to use positive words in your life wherever you go. So this
Mm,
quotation shows the power of the language, the power of the words. So when
yes,
you learn the effective language, effective flow of language, then you will have the power of words. Then you will have,
yes.
then, yeah. So in the next classes, we'll have the proper conversation classes, and we'll go through the English, like something like grammar, phrases, clauses, sentences. While we'll most stuck with the English speaking. So after that, while in the next classes, we'll do something more, something role playing, some more speaking, and in the end of the class, we'll have a conversation session. So like today we have, I give you the lecture, and after that we are conversating like this. So in the next class, I need you that you should have read 2 pages, at least 2 pages of the book. Okay. And
Okay,
yeah, it depends on you. And the things which I told you will help you to, uh, like, it will speed up, it will help like you enzymes, like enzymes speed up the process. So in this way, reading, listening, writing can speed up your speaking process. So while speaking, also take these 3 process also with these. So inshallah you will learn English faster, inshallah.
inshallah.
We'll do many things in the next coming classes. So uh, I think it's done from my side. Do you have anything to share?
No,
Okay. So thank you so much for today's lesson.
welcome, ma'am.
No problem. Inshallah, we'll meet up
Next
in the
class
next
कब
class.
होगी?
Next class, the day after tomorrow.
Okay,
Yeah, you have one day. I'll share you I will, inshallah, share with you the link of videos, TED Talks, and also share some books, and choose whichever you like and start reading it from today or from tomorrow.
okay.
Okay, so thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.